Today we are going to see about the Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development in children. Theory of cognitive development was developed by Swiss psychologist Jean Piaget. Cognition refers to thinking and memory process. Cognitive development refers to long-term changes in these processes. Piaget observed children closely and proposed that cognition developed passes through four distinct stages from birth through the end of adolescence. He called them as sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, and formal operational stage. Let us see these stages one by one. The first stage is sensory motor stage. It occurs from birth to 2 years. Here the child understands the world through senses and actions. The child learns by doing, looking, touching and sucking. The child understands simple cause and effect relationship. Object permanence occurs in this stage. That is, the child realizes that things continue to exist even when no longer present to the sense. Next, we'll see about the pre-operational stage. It occurs from 2 to 7 years. Here, the child understands the world through language and mental images. Thinking is still egocentric. That is, the child has difficulty in taking the viewpoint of others. In this stage, the child thinks without logical rules. Conservation also occurs in this stage. That is, the child believes that an amount or quantity stays the same even if changes apparent size and shape. Next, we'll see about the concrete operational stage. It occurs from 7 to 11 years. The child understands the world through logical thinking and categories. Thinking at this stage is still concrete. Reversibility and decentration is seen in this stage. Reversibility means the child has the ability to mentally go through a series of steps in a problem and then reverse the direction, returning to the starting point. Decentration means the child has the ability to focus on several aspects of a problem at once and relate them. Next, we'll see about the formal operational stage. It occurs from 11 years onwards. The child understands the world through hypothetical thinking and scientific reasoning. In this stage, the child uses abstract thinking. The child thinks metacognitively. That is, the child learns to think about the way we think. The child thinks hypothetically and has the ability to understand the consequences of their decisions. Now, we have a quick review of the topic. In sensory motor stage, the child explores through senses. Object permanence occurs. In pre-operational stage, language is developed. The child thinks illogically. Egocentric and conservation occurs. In concrete operational stage, the child thinks logically. Reversibility and decentration occurs. In formal operational stage, the child thinks abstractly and thinks logically with multiple possibilities. Sources and images are taken from internet. Thank you.